Multilinear regression is used to find the relationship between a dependent and multiple independent variables. For example, dependent variable can be sales. So if we want to predict the value of sales, there can be multiple independent factors that can affect the value of sales. So multilinear regression helps to build a model between the dependent, that in our example was sales, and multiple independent factors which affect the value of sales. The mathematical equation that can be generalized is y equal to c plus m1 into x1 plus m2 into x2 and plus m3 into x3 and so on. So where y is the dependent variable or the variable whose value we want to predict, c is the constant or the intercept. What is an intercept? It is the value where the value of independent variable is 0. Next is the m, that is slope. What is slope? It affects the value of independent variable, how much it will affect the value of dependent variable. Next is x. X is the value of independent variable. So here there can be multiple independent factors. So we have taken x1, x2, x3 and so on. So I have already told you the intercept is simply the value of dependent variable when independent is at 0 level. Slope, it affects the value of independent variable on the estimation of dependent variable's value. So when we establish a regression model where there are multiple independent factors, we are taking a very simple example to show how can we build a regression model in R with the inbuilt data set, that is empty cars, where we will predict the value of MPG, that is miles per gallon, on the basis of different independent variables that are known. So let's go to R and predict the values of MPG. First, let me tell you what is empty cars data set. So empty car data set, that is motor trend car road test, what it comprises of is 10 aspects of automobile design and performance of 32 automobiles. So it is a data frame with 32 observations on 11 variables. So those 11 variables are MPG, cylinders, number of cylinders, then displacement, horsepower, axle ratio, weight, what is the cubic, that is the time, miles time, engine, transmission, whether it is automatic or manual, then number of gears and number of carburetors. What we'll do is, first, what we are doing is we are creating a simple multiple linear regression model. Then we'll check how can we split the data and test the data with the already built data. Let me show you.